Guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jelly Beans. And today, guys, I'm gonna be going to the Palm Springs tram. Yeah, don't mind my crazy hair. It's just because I just woke up in the morning, so please don't mind it. Please don't mind it. Well, today I'm gonna go to the Palm Springs tram. It's in Palm Springs tram. It's really nice up there. You could get like a little hot chocolate up there. But before I go to hot chocolate, I'm gonna go to this one nice breakfast place. It's called Cheeky's, and I really hope I enjoy all of the pancakes there, because that's my favorite part about restaurants. The pizza, the quesadillas, and the pancakes. Yeah. And the little side things that they gave me. And the drinks. That's my most favorite part, the drinks. And, so after we're done eating, we're going to go to the tram. I believe we're leaving at 9. I believe we're leaving at 9. Yeah, guys. So make sure to go to the tram someday, guys. So then, as I said, after we're done eating, as we leave at 9, we're gonna go on the tram. And it's not my first time. It's my second time going on the tram. Because one time I went with my dad. It was super fun. And today I'm going to go with my mom. And it's her first time. And it's my second time. So I already know what to explain to her. So I did show her some videos in the morning. Like how the tram's going to look. It looked really nice. So in the beginning, guys, if you guys haven't been to the tram yet, here are some tips. Because like when you get on it, it's so soothful. So tip number 1, whenever you first get on, it's like so soothful, smooth. But whenever a lot of people get on, so you're just gonna be squashed with people. Yeah, guys, you can't have your privacy. And then my first time I went, it's like the tram spins a little bit. There's like these white towers that the first one, it just rocks like this, but you're not lucky if you get on the red one. The red one goes all the way up here. Can't even swerve around into a circle, I believe, since it goes so high. Yeah, guys. Tip number 2, really quickly. This is there's only gonna be only 3 tips. Tip number 2, maybe if it's snowy or if you live in Antarctica, which I'm sure there's, actually, I don't know if there's, okay, anyways, well, I believe you guys should go in December, because that's when it's snowy. Yeah, guys, so that's when it's snowy. You can see the beautiful snow. It's really windy, guys. So, yeah. Tip number 3. I don't think I said this, that we could go get hot chocolate. Well, there is lights for December. After, you get like your hot chocolate and stuff. You can see Santa. You can sing Christmas carols. Sorry, guys, my brain is just braining since I just woke up. And yeah, those are my 3 tips and what I'm gonna do today. And I'll see you guys later on the tram. Bye. I'm here at Cheeky's, the restaurant in Palm Springs. My mom's like putting in her creamer. Really nice. I'll keep you guys updated. And as I was saying, this is my mom's first time on the tram. It's really nice out here, guys. This is like my 4th time being here, right, Mama? Because I came over with my dad to see his new girlfriend. Why am I so pink? I look pink. This is my outfit for today. It's super cute. My hair got crimped by the one and only, the queen. So like, the crown like this. Yeah. So guys, tell me if you guys ever been to Cheeky's before. Because, can I show them outside? Because this is how it be outside. Let's see if I can do that. So, now that I'm here, let's see. This is my outfit today. Okay. Well, keep you guys posted. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Hey guys. So, welcome back to the tram. Oh, sit down here. This is the tram. Well, we're not at the tram yet, but we're gonna go to a shopping center. I don't know what it's called.
Downtown Palm Springs.
Oh, it's called Downtown Palm Springs. Well, the shopping center is not called Downtown Palm Springs, but we're gonna go to Downtown Palm Springs. And then after, we're gonna go to the tram at what time?
We'll leave like at 11:30.
Okay. Cause there's like, we have to go up on the trolley and stuff. You know, it's gonna take us a while, guys. Yeah, so we'll keep you guys posted on the tram. Guys, I almost tripped because I trolled. But anyways, we're here on the tram. We're going up, it's our road. I'm here with my mom. Bye. Keep you posted. What does she need? This is exactly what we saw Holly. We even bought a cheese strings. She brought, I don't want. It's a little scary going on my second time. First time, my second. Oh, right here.
We'll be going over 5 towers on our way up. Each tower has a little spring to it. Just hang on, have fun. Any questions, feel free to ask any of the yogi folks.
Even here. Just there's an
One thing about it. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on to it.
I was wondering, I wonder where that's from.
It would have come back around.
Will step out into a completely different environment. The high country of San Central State Park in Wilton, at an elevation of 8,516 feet above sea level. We'll travel over transition to the track cable. Over the tower is saddled back to the track cable. This motion results in the car moving from the bicycle track.
You already passed it?
The tramway was designed and built by the Von Roll Company here in Switzerland.
Did we already pass the tower?
After some 26 months of construction.
Okay guys, so we're here in the tram. Actually we are now. My second time and I'm nervous. And this lady's first time and she's not even nervous at all. Okay, bye. See you.
Wave, yeah, absolutely. Guys.
I mean, it is.
Many desert cities, and our sound consultancy.
Another way.
Well, you had a great day. Enjoy.
Look, that's the restaurant we went to. Hey guys. My nose is so cold, guys. It literally is. It's cold up here in the tram, guys. We're here. Where is this at? Where's this at?
It's just a little.
It's like a forest. It used to be filled with snow. This is my second time. It's her first time. So guys, these are the animals we have to fear of. Those over there, those animals over there. Do you see them?
No, it's too far for me to show.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys, well, I'll keep you guys posted. Hey guys, so can you guess what I'm gonna eat? That's right, you guys are right, a pizza. Mom's gonna eat some nachos, which are really good. And we're gonna my chocolate chip cookies. So, bye bye. Hi guys.
She's a little tired.
Yeah, she's a little tired already. I did get a plushie. Bye bye. Keep it back in the bag.
I know, that night. What city?
Oh, there's 5.
All right, everybody.
Oh no, the camera is coming. Mommy? Mommy?
Number 4. All right, everybody.